This protein-packed pumpkin vegan dessert recipe is perfect. You're going to start with 2 tablespoons of flour. This one's gluten-free, and the first ingredient is garbanzo bean flour, so it adds some protein. Speaking of protein, we'll next add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed protein powder. This will add 18 grams of protein to our pumpkin mug cake. Next, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, which is essentially cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking powder. This will enable our pumpkin mug cake to rise. Then we're going to mix all of those ingredients together until it looks like so, and now you are done with the dry ingredients. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. This will give the pumpkin mug cake some sweetness and also add some antioxidants without any refined sugar. And then we'll add 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. This is very low in calorie, great for your heart, your immune system, your skin, your digestion. And next, add a tablespoon of vanilla almond milk, but you could really add any plant milk. Mix that all together, and now we are ready for toppings. So I added 2. First, I added walnuts for the deliciousness and the omega-3s, and pumpkin seeds or pepitas, which are great for magnesium, and that is something half of Americans don't get enough of. Mix that all together, put that in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then tell me, would you make this vegan, protein-packed pumpkin dessert recipe? It's gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and delicious. Let me know in the comments below.